What's up, guys? Justin with Tier 1 Gear and EDC Reviews, and today we're going to be checking out the Gavko designed Artisan Cutlery Great White. Now, this thing is pretty wicked. That blade shape, I honestly do not know what you would call that, but I've kind of been calling it a worn curve Tonto Poon because it pretty much has a recurve. It's a worn cliff, it's a Tonto, it's harpoon. I don't know, but it's pretty cool. And to be honest, this thing feels really great in the hands. The ergonomics, how it kind of has like a bone kind of femur shape to it, it feels really good. And the fact that they put that choil on there allows you to choke up really nicely. It definitely has great ergos. Now, the blade shape might be a little bit impractical, but to be honest, it's an EDC. It's a conversation piece. It's just a knife. It's, nothing people should overthink too much. I mean, having a blade shape like that and, it's still going to cut stuff. No problem. That's a sharp freaking blade. And although, like I said, it's not very practical, but at the same time, it's really freaking cool. But anyway, it is actually made from S35V in steel. It has a really nice satin finish, and I'm digging those grind lines. It literally puts off like the colors of the rainbow. It's insane. I absolutely love it. But anyway, it is a frame lock design, of course, and has this all titanium handle. All of the hardware made from stainless. Now, the pocket clip is tip-up, right-hand carry only, and it's somewhat of an okay pocket clip. It's really, really thin. If you have a thicker pair of pants on, something that has, like a huge thick fold right there where the pocket area goes, it's going to be a little bit tight and maybe not sit all the way down. It might sit about right here, but, if you're wearing like some jogging pants or something, then it's going to sit down flush. But anyway, the action on this guy is... you can't ask for a better action. Drops shut, no problem. I will admit, the length of the thumb hole actually makes it a little bit harder to deploy. You kind of have to get used to it, get the hang of it a little bit before you can just start flipping it with your thumb. I did find it a little bit awkward, but to be honest, Spidey flicks all day long with ease. Anyway, the overall length on this guy is 8.50 inches. The blade is 3.75. The cutting edge is 3.375 with a width of 1.25. Now the thickness is 0.16. So it's definitely a thick blade stock even though it has this really thin profile. Now the handle length is 4.75 inches. The width is 0.875. The thickness is 0.44. And let's weigh this bad boy real quick. Weight is 4.055. Great EDC weight, under 6 ounces. And for it being a really big knife, that's really not that bad at all. We will compare this bad boy to the Bug Out. You see it's right around an inch larger than the Bug Out. The Pair 3. I got caught on my Metal Complex sticker there. Yeah, you can see it's about 1.5 inches bigger than the Pair 3. Go ahead and throw in the Pair 2. Again, I always use common knives to compare it to, because if I'm comparing it to something nobody has ever seen, then what's the purpose, right? Anyway, it's about maybe 1/4 inch longer than the Pair 3, so definitely a pretty large knife, not too large, and honestly, like I said, it has great ergos. It feels really, really good in the hands. Anyway, Artisan Cutlery makes a great blade, and they definitely put all their effort into this one. This knife is really, really nice, and I gotta hand it to Gavko. They really make an excellent design. The thing about that is they have some pretty impractical looking designs, and then some are very practical, like the Thresher. That thing's a beast, but this right here is definitely a little conversation piece, I guess you could say. Bring that to a bar with your friends and you're definitely going to be the highlight of the party. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe if you haven't already. Check me out on Instagram. Don't forget to hit that like button. Please, it helps the channel out so much. Stay safe. See you guys on the next one.